Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. I'm having some coffee out of my London mug. I'm not gonna say that it's a home vlog yet because I'm gonna wait for Tim because I feel like we have to do that together, but it is another home vlog. And I'm gonna make my breakfast. So a lot of you guys have been with us for like years and years, and you might remember back when we did mainly home vlogs and I would open the vlog with my breakfast. So I wanted to show you what I'm eating during this time. Pretty much the same thing that I would eat during any other time, but I'm having some extra fruit because we are trying to eat all of our perishable food. We don't want our perishable food to go bad. So let me just show you what I'm having for breakfast this morning. I'm having some oatmeal. I'm just adding my almond milk. It's vanilla almond milk, and I need to cut up some of my strawberries and blackberries, and then I'm gonna make an English muffin with some butter. It's gonna be a delicious breakfast. All right, my oatmeal is all ready to be all stirred up and mixed together. I put some blackberries in there as well as my strawberries. This is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna probably put a little teensy weensy bit of brown sugar in there, just a teeny weeny bit. And then I have my English muffin going, and that's gonna be my breakfast. So I've got some oatmeal with strawberries and blackberries. I've got my English muffin with some butter and my decaf coffee with almond milk. Delish. Okay, I'm almost done with my breakfast. I just put the baby down for a nap. He should hopefully be asleep for like at least an hour, although his last nap was only 15 minutes, so we shall see. So yesterday was a little bit rough, last night was a little bit rough. I didn't get very much sleep because I think the baby is going through a growth spurt. Oh my gosh, did you see that? I totally like sway now. Like not even meaning to, it's just because I'm so used to having the baby on me that I'm just constantly like swaying. So there's that. I'm gonna try not to do that. It's just like muscle memory, I think now. So I think he's going through a growth spurt because he's eating so much. I cannot believe how much he is eating. It's just like nuts how much like he is consuming. So, but he's also not like going to the bathroom, like he's not pooping. And I think he's just literally like using all those nutrients to grow right now. He's going through a growth spurt. So he's been waking up like every hour and a half at night to eat, and so I really have only been getting like 3 hours of sleep every night, but it's like 1 hour at a time, and that's really not a lot of sleep. So I slept in a little bit today, and I kind of wish I hadn't because I feel like the day is already, it's like noon right now, so I feel like the day is already a little bit wasted, although I have all day to do stuff just with this, you know, being inside stuff. But I don't know, does that make sense? Like, do you guys feel that way when you sleep until noon and then you're like, shoot, my whole day's gone, even though I can't go anywhere anyway? But now Tim is upstairs getting ready for the day. He's doing his hair, getting all beautiful for you guys. And then we're gonna do some more fun stuff. I wanna do some Lego today. I need to edit the video from yesterday and get that up for you guys. And I need to do like some laundry and just some house stuff. But I wanna try to find another project around the house to do. So I need to figure out what that is. There's a wall upstairs that I want to paint, so I want to see if we have enough paint to maybe do that. Maybe not today, but at least like get it started, like thinking about it, you know? And then there's a couple more blinds. These are the old ones here on the floor, but there's a couple more blinds that we need to switch out for the white blinds that we put up the other day. So that's what I'm doing right now.
All right, all right, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
home vlog.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to a home vlog.
We kind of did it together.
We did it together.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2. Good afternoon. All right, we'll do it the okay. You ready?
I thought you were saying home vlog.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Home vlog.
We did it. It only took 17 tries to do it. So that's what you guys were like, please do a blooper reel. Do a blooper reel. That's what it would look like.
And that was on purpose.
Yeah.
So Jen's gonna edit real quick right now, and I'm gonna go work on some blinds.
See, I told you guys. I knew it was gonna happen.
What?
I told them this already.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm like a psychic.
What?
Yeah.
I came downstairs and I go, what should I do right now? And she goes, I don't know. And I was like, should I work on some blinds? And she goes, I mean, if you want to.
Well, I don't want to tell you what to do. Like, if you want to do that, do it.
I mean, you were like... I
said maybe we would do it.
I was like, reverse, reverse, reverse. What's it called?
No, I just feel like if you don't, I don't want to be like, did you do those blinds? Because like, what if you don't want to do them? Like, you can do whatever you want.
All right. I can do whatever I want?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Going to Disney.
Oh.
All right, time to switch out this set of blinds for a white set. Also, this is where we've been doing the Lego, over here. Oh dang, one of my supports for the blinds got real bent up in shipping. Look at that. Hopefully I can fix that with a pair of pliers. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Looking good. Looking real nice. What do you think, Jackson? Now that the blinds over there are white, does it feel like it's brighter in here for you to do tummy time? I'm gonna take that as a yes. So now we need to start preparing our depression apples. And
so we made this in another video, but we bought some apples to make them again, and I feel like these apples are gonna go bad, so we have to make them tonight.
Yeah.
Which is not a bad thing. Like, these are delicious, and I can't wait to eat them.
Oh yeah.
But it'll be nice to have them after dinner. You can have a little snack.
A little after, that's called dessert.
Oh yeah.
So the last time that we did this, we had a hard time coring out the apples.
Oh no.
And since then I've been using this little tiny, what is this, like a...
I think it's a cookie dough scoop.
Yeah, cookie dough scoop.
It's probably for something else.
No, that's what it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100% that's what it is.
Well, that's just what we use it for.
No, that's what it is.
Like, that's what they sell it as?
Yeah, that's what they sell it as.
Oh.
And it made the opening a little bit too big. I think we need to buy a melon baller.
I think so. Okay, so I'm adding the mixture to the apples right now. And just kind of pushing it in a little bit.
Oh, they're gonna be so good.
I can't wait. They're good every time. Like, and they're so easy to make. I'm gonna leave, or you already said you're gonna leave the video?
I don't know if I did. We're gonna put a link to the, okay.
Also, some of you guys have been making these at home, and you've been sending us pictures, and they look so good, and I'm so happy that you're making this recipe.
Yeah.
It was such an amazing, like, find. It was one of those things where I was like, this would be easy, but it's so good, and I'm glad that it's, like, in my recipe bank in my brain now.
Oh yeah, you got one of them recipe bank brains.
Get it going on high. Put these in here. By the time we're done with dinner, they should be done, and then we'll have a dessert.
And right now, I'm rocking the babe. He's ready to go to sleep.
He always looks so scared. You're not scared, you're just like staring off, right? Look at his face, like literally look at this. I had to show Daddy how crazy you looked.
You look pretty scared, buddy.
No, he's just like zoning out. I think he's in the zone, the sleep zone.
Oh.
I think that's what it is.
All right, time for recipe number 2 from Martha and Marley Spoon.
This one looks like it's gonna be a little bit easier. It's pan-fried gnocchi with mushroom, spinach, and pine nuts. And it looked really good, but you didn't really want this one.
No, I'm not like a fan of pasta.
But it's not, it's potatoes.
Is gnocchi potatoes?
Yeah, it's potato gnocchi.
Okay, maybe that'll be good because it's like crispy gnocchi too.
Yeah.
You know what the word gnocchi, you know what it reminds me of?
Let me just make sure it's potatoes. Yeah, okay, it is. This one is at least.
You know what the name gnocchi reminds me of?
What?
Tom Nook. Animal Crossing. I do really want to play it because it looks interesting. I've seen a lot of people online showing their like tips and tricks for how to catch a tarantula.
How is it different from what you play?
In mine, like, it's very limited. Like when you're fishing in mine, it's just like you throw it out there and then it tells you to tap and you tap. With this one, when you're fishing, you have to like watch the bobber. And when the bobber goes underwater, then you reel it in. And like, I can't get attacked by tarantulas or bees or anything like that, but they can there.
Is it more like Sims for Animal Crossing?
Yeah, it's kind of like Sims.
Maybe when this is all over, we'll get a Switch and you can play Animal Crossing.
I don't need to play it.
Okay.
I'd like to go over to somebody's house that has it and play it just like once.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
Just one time?
Just one time just to see like what it's about.
Okay.
How do you Twitch stream? Oh, he's pooping again.
He pooped again.
Uh-oh. Jackson, do you want to tell everybody why you're wearing a different outfit now? Yeah, is it because you made a mess of the last outfit? I think so. But this one's very nice. So I cut up my mushrooms and I'm making my sauce now. This is grated garlic, grated lemon zest, lemon juice, water, mascarpone cheese, and salt and pepper. So I'm gonna whisk this up and then I'm gonna get started cooking everything. And then it's supposed to be done in one pan. So this should be a lot easier than yesterday. So I mixed up my sauce and now it's time to start cooking some pine nuts. But this is also a makeshift bathroom at the moment. Yeah. Right? Someone's getting a bath with all of his little fat rolls. So many fat rolls in the sink. What the heck, little babe? I like when he tries to bite the washcloth. Heck yeah. Good. Yeah, good. Get angry when I'm washing your face. Oh no. Buddy, you look very cute. You're doing a great job. Do I look cute? You do look cute. Thanks. You can't show this part because I have to wipe his butt. Oh no. Grated my Parmesan and now I'm toasting up some pine nuts. And I gotta say, these smell like popcorn.
Makes me want popcorn. But instead, we're gonna have a fancy Italian dinner. Right? This is Italian, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Gonna be delicious. So now we're cooking up our gnocchi. It's gonna sit here in one layer. Like, I guess it just cooks on one side for 4 to 5 minutes. And then this baby needs to eat and go to bed.
But at least he's all clean.
He is, and he's just eating that hand.
When I try to like comb his hair, it never really works.
He just has like the fuzziest hair. Do you see it? It's just the fuzziest, cutest little hair on the top of his head.
It's really impressive because it gets longer every day, and you can like, it's visibly like noticeably longer.
He does have more hair right here.
Yeah.
Say I have more fuzzy hair on my head. What?
Mom always ruins the hair that I spend hours upon hours meticulously brushing.
Sorry.
And then I brush and brush and brush and brush his hair.
That's what I feel like with this whole like quarantining thing.
Oh yeah.
I literally feel like Rapunzel.
And by then it's like 7:15.
And then we make some gnocchi and we feed this baby. And then we try not to go crazy.
And we make some Lego.
Oh yeah, I want to do that tonight.
Yeah.
I didn't get to do that yesterday, and I feel like I'm feeling not like down, but I'm feeling like I just need to do something other than what we're doing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's why I do
I'm sure
Lego.
you guys totally understand that feeling.
That's why I do Lego.
Yeah. This little baby doesn't get it. He's
and
like,
then I
I'm
chew
cool.
and chew and chew and chew my hands.
And then I wiggle my feet, and it's really fun. Look at my little jiggly legs.
He's got these thunder thighs, doesn't he?
He got them from me.
He get it from his mama.
It's true. Sorry about that, bud. So here's something that's fun. This baby spinach is chewy texture, crisp yet succulent. I like how they like explain their vegetables on Marley and Spoon.
What was it? Tender crisp?
Tender crisp, chewy texture, crisp yet succulent.
Crisp tender?
Yeah, that's what the bok choy was.
Hello.
Oh, you know what's something I wanted to show you guys? So this was something I wanted to show you guys. You might have seen these in yesterday's video where we were showing the food, but these flowers are from when Jackson came home from the hospital. Those were all of one of each of the flowers from one of each of the bouquets for you being born.
And I'm fairly certain that this one's poisonous.
Oh, is it?
Maybe.
Oh no, well I was saving them because I wanted to like press them and put them in his baby book.
Which we really need to start doing.
I know, maybe we're gonna do that in the next home vlog because I realized that we're like a quarter of the way through the book and we haven't even started adding anything in yet.
These are all my blinds over here in case you guys are wondering what this like mess is over here.
Pulled them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I wanted to press these, but then they dried. They were sitting there for so long that they dried out. So now I have to figure out what to do with them. Do you guys have any
put
ideas?
them in a shadow box.
But like this?
Yeah.
You guys leave me some ideas and let me know what you think I should do with them.
We could hang them around the house like we're vampires.
Okay, I like
You know
that.
what vampires do?
I think maybe. Let me know if you guys know any vampires in the comments down below.
Or if you're like friends with a vampire. If you're a vampire, you know what that means.
Oh, like Vampirina?
No, well, I just meant like if they were actually vampires and didn't want to say that they were actually vampires.
No, he doesn't like all this vampire talk.
Oh no, I'm sorry, vampires are not
buddy.
scary, buddy.
I'm
Don't
sorry,
worry. You don't know
buddy.
what scary is yet.
Whoa, that sounded like a threat.
What are you doing now?
Alright, I missed a few steps, sorry. So I wilted my spinach, I cooked my gnocchi, I added my mushrooms, mixed them all up in this pan. I think I cooked the spinach a little bit too much. I was only supposed to wilt it slightly, but that's hard to do. Now I'm adding my sauce, my mascarpone sauce, which honestly like smells so delicious. And there it is, the final outcome. Doo-doo-doo-doo. This looks so delicious. And these are the only dishes that I used to make it other than like the serving dishes. So what the heck, this is awesome. Way less messy than yesterday's dinner. I can't wait to eat this. It smells amazing in this kitchen right now.
Real-time reaction. What do you think of the...
I love this.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is really good. I'm almost done with it.
I liked it a lot too.
Yeah, I wish that I had put it in like a wider bowl so that I could have more cheese on everything and more of the pine nuts like everywhere.
Oh, okay, I see.
But I would totally make this again.
Also, our computer just started making a funny noise.
I know. Why is it doing that?
I don't know.
Oh, I was gonna ask you if that was normal.
No, it just happened as I sat down to eat my dinner. I was like, what is this?
I've been doing this
Oh, how long?
all day.
Oh no.
Is that bad?
We just got to drop it a few times. Also, on a side note, we just got this in the mail from a friend of ours. I am frightened because if you guys don't know what this is, if you guys have watched the show Hot Ones, this is a pack of 3 hot sauces from the show Hot Ones. The classic, which is the normal hot sauce, like the one that they start with. Los Calientes, which is the middle of the line one. So like they have 10 hot sauces. This is like number 5. And then the last dab, XXX, which is the very last one, the hottest hot sauce there is. How many Scovilles is it? Does it say on here?
Is it the hottest hot sauce ever in the world?
I don't know about ever in the world, but it is on the show. It's the hottest hot sauce. And then it tells a story about Pepper X, which sounds frightening. I don't see where it says what its Scoville level is. See if I can read it, hold on. Well, I didn't find out what the Scoville level of this was, but if I have seen the show enough that people that eat this say that it's extremely hot, they say this one's delicious, and this one's just like normal hot sauce. So I think we're probably gonna use this one the most. I'm not gonna try any of these tonight, but at some point during this quarantine, I will be trying these. And I am frightened. Depression apples. Yeah, yummy, yummy.
Oh, we almost forgot that they were in here. That would have been really bad.
Oh, snap. These are going to be so good.
Yeah, and then we're going to put some ice cream.
Yeah, we've been making these all vegan too. So there's vegan butter in there. And this is some coconut milk. The good stuff. This darn dessert is so good. So easy to make. Not healthy at all, but very delicious.
Is it not healthy?
I mean, it has an apple in it,
yeah.
Right? But then it's got just a ton of sugar and butter.
No. More apple than bad stuff. So
here's the thing. Jackson has been waking up like 4 or 5 times the past 3 nights. We think he's going through a growth spurt.
Well, so normally for a while there, he was sleeping. He would go to sleep at 8 and then he would wake up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. So we would get like a good 7 hours of sleep, which was fantastic. Actually, not 7. We would get like 5 hours of sleep, which was still great. But now I'm getting 1 hour of sleep. So I'm getting 1 hour of sleep, then he wakes up to nurse, and then I go to sleep, and then I get another like hour of sleep, and then he wakes up to nurse. And I get like 3 1 hours of sleeps. Yeah. It's hard.
It's been bad recently, but we think it's a growth spurt.
Yeah.
Because he is using all of his milk, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
For those of you guys that don't want me to get into the nitty gritty of it.
He's not pooping.
He's not pooping as much.
Yeah.
But hopefully it'll only last a few days.
But he's also napping more during the day. Like his naps during the day are longer.
Yeah.
Which is, you guys are probably like, oh, just sleep when he sleeps. But like, I have to do stuff during the day.
Right.
I can't nap when he's napping because I need to like edit and do stuff in the daylight. And
Right.
So.
All in all.
We're very tired.
For us to tell you that we're tired.
We're
very
so tired.
So we're gonna go to sleep now.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this home vlog.
Well, and I hope that you guys are doing okay. Like I know that we've kind of already talked about this in other videos, but like I hope that you're, you know, staying at home is going well for you. I hope that everybody's like feeling okay mentally.
Yeah.
I hope that everybody's doing okay.
Yeah.
So, and if you're not, I'm gonna be thinking like some positive thoughts for you.
Sending good vibrations towards you.
Yeah, for sure. Like we just want everybody to like do okay during all of this.
Yeah.
So
all in all, we hope you guys have a fantastic night.
Yeah.
And with that being said, we are off. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
We're the Johnson family from Wellington, Florida, and now it's time to pay the price.